Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get an image onto a tote bag, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson dye sublimation technology. In order to get your printed image onto a tote bag, here's what you need. A 24-inch wide Epson F570 dye sublimation printer, some scissors, heat transfer tape, a blank tote bag, a heat press 20 by 25 inches or larger, and some craft paper. Once you have finished the design for your tote bag, this is how to send it to the F570 printer. For Windows users, click the print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Choose Properties. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click OK. Then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Click Printer. Choose Printer Settings, and select the media type that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's cut our paper down to size. And now we're ready to tape the tote bag onto the print. We use a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape, and we're ready to press. Before we place our item onto the heat press, let's place a piece of craft paper first. Now let's take our item and we're going to flip it so the paper is on the top. We're going to set another piece of craft paper on top of that, and we're ready to begin pressing. We're pressing at medium pressure, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And when the timer is done, it will alert us. When the press is done, open it slowly. Remove your craft paper and remove your item. So now we're going to simply remove the heat transfer tape from our item, and we're done.